so they were damn near twice the price of Cycle Gear. So yeah, we're gonna end up there, and I didn't set it yet. I'm downloading the Wyndham app because Hotels.com for some reason does not want to hook up to the Super 8 in Lincoln for some reason. I don't know why, but we'll go direct to Wyndham. When we stop for gas next, we'll deal with that. Also going to need to switch to the tinted visor because, yeah, the sun is definitely out now and it's getting angry. I've got my phone in my box there, so yeah, just trying that because it's hot on there and it's not charging, and yeah, it's not happy. It's not happy because it's hot. So we'll go down 6 to get back to 80 at some point, and yeah, wallet's in my pocket. All right, we good. Wallet's in my pocket, keys out of my pocket. I tried to lose my keys in the saddlebag. That was good. That was good. All right, we're gonna get over towards I don't know, probably try to go about an hour and a half. Try to go about an hour and a half, and stopping at gas probably around, like I said, Newton or thereabouts, probably just before we get to strapped, right? Yeah, we're good. We're good. I mean, I got extra water bottles. I don't want to lose that one though, because that's my good one. That's my insulated one, and yeah. Trying to keep my head cool at least. If I keep my head cool, I got a chance. But yeah, it's hot. It is definitely toasty right now. That is 380. It's a terrible control city, Mount Pleasant. I don't know what's better. I guess, I mean, yeah, Mount Pleasant's probably about as good as it's going to get. I mean, signing all the way to St. Louis or Hannibal's probably the best option, but I don't know. All right, we're going to try to look for go, dude. People need to learn how to drive roundabouts. We'll find, like I said, we'll Burner Bar and Grill, okay. And they had a bunch of bikes in there, and one guy talked to me, which was kind of cool. You know, I wasn't, you know, just trying to see if I was good. I said, yeah. Just been clicking them off and clicking them off and clicking them off. Newton, Iowa, home of the Iowa Speedway, which is where the NASCAR Cup Series will be this weekend. Yay! Well, I'm not going. So, Newton, Iowa Speedway Drive. Loves Chester's, Arby's, McDonald's, yeah. try to push this all the way to Des Moines. I mean, I still got a quarter tank. It says I got 70 miles of range still. I got a tailwind now, so that helps. Why are they? I don't know. There it is, right there. Boom. Oh yeah, they got all the tents and stuff set up. Yep. Welcome, race fans. Say welcome, race fans. Well, that's the speedway. We'll pick this up as we get close to Des Moines. All right, see you there. All right, well, belly's now full. Glasses are on my face. Tinted shield is on. Yeah, it's hot. It's probably 90 degrees right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to get about halfway. Ooh, that could have been bad. My foot damn near got caught on my on that passenger peg, I think. But I got the screen off, but I got the charger on, so it should be charging for now. We're gonna try, hopefully with any luck, to make it about halfway over to we're gonna try to make it about halfway and split this in half. Yeah, that's wow, that was a Kamala Harrisism there. We're gonna try to go halfway and split this in half. Thought of that all by yourself, didn't you? Why are you not? There it goes. Alright. I got directions in now to cycle gear. So she'll be in my ear, da-da-da-da-da. Wallet, keys. Alright, we should be like if we don't stop, it'll be like 2 hours and 10 minutes to get to Omaha. I'm gonna have a pit stop. So yeah, reservations have been made. The Lincoln West Super 8, it was $72, I think, from Wyndham, because, you know, Hotels.com wasn't working for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, unfortunately 35 and 80 goes kind of around the city. 235 goes more through downtown. So we're not going to see a whole lot of Des Moines. But the tank is full, the belly is full. I had 2 pieces of pepperoni pizza at the come and go. They were fine. I mean, it was gas station pizza. It was edible. And some chicken tenders. Yet again, they were okay. I would have rather gotten Casey's, because I think Casey's is better, but whatever. Although with Casey's, I probably would have gotten a chicken, you know, one of their pork fritter sandwiches and then a thing of popcorn chicken. But whatever. Heavy on the cold water. I didn't wring it out very much because, you know, wanted it to be pretty wet try to keep my head as cool as I could, because it's gonna get hot now. I don't think we're expecting any rain, but I don't know. I mean, Omaha really wasn't expecting any. Once we get out of Des Moines, we'll set the cruise back at 80 again and just try to make as good a time as we can, and and with any luck, be in Lincoln. It's 4:30 now. We'll be in Lincoln by about, I don't know, 8:30, so not too bad, especially when you consider the fact I didn't leave till 9:30. Try to be on the road. I'm guessing they start their breakfast spread at the Super 8 probably around 6. So we'll probably try to be on the road 6:30-ish. And it's like, I want to say it's like 4 and change, like 420, 410 to get to Denver, and I'm really hoping to be through Denver by about 2 o'clock. Here, I didn't. We'll see if we get into some rain. We get into some rain. I thought once I got past Des Moines, we'd be in the clear, but who knows? Depending on what time we get to Grand Junction, I might go to that Chinese joint that I went to the last couple of years. I don't know. We'll see. Depends on what time, or I might find somewhere else. I don't know. But the clutch has been good. That was the important thing. I've got confidence in the clutch is fine. I mean, we tested it right off the jump with that flipping traffic jam. If there's sun behind these clouds, it'll probably cool off a little bit. Oh, I don't know if you can hear me. I did forget one time. I'm coming up on Atlantic, Iowa right now. And one thing I always forget is just how hilly western Iowa is. I mean, it's a lot of rolling up and downs. You know, you'd think Iowa is flat. Nope. Rolling up and downs, especially once you get past Des Moines. Nebraska's the same way too, but Nebraska is sandhill, so it's kind of a different animal. Yeah, we're not really going to get through much of that, I don't think, because I'm pretty sure I'm going through Colorado to get across the Rockies, and then Saturday, and then not Saturday, and then we'll figure out if we're going to come back up to Salt Lake, or if we're going to go up to, or if we're going to go down towards Vegas, or take the loneliest road, or what we're going to do. I don't know yet. Alright, but I'm like, I don't know, probably about 45 minutes, an hour from Omaha. Alright, be back when we get closer to Omaha. Alrighty. We're entering the Omaha area. Here comes our first junction, the new Interstate 880, which used to be Interstate 680, but they decided to renumber it for reasons. I don't know why you put Omaha on both though. That just seems stupid. I mean, Sioux City makes sense. Sioux Falls, if you want to put Sioux Falls on there too, that's fine. Why do you feel the need to put Omaha on there? Yeah, I mean, there's another way. That's a different way to get downtown, like to the airport. Put the airport. Airport makes sense. Alright, rant's over. Yeah, we're half an hour away from Omaha. We'll pick this up as we get closer.